You've seen me breaking down cold emails, but what about templates? In this new series, which we already actually did an episode of when we looked at Steli Efti's emails, I want to look at some of the top influencers in the cold email space and see if we can improve the templates that they recommend you use. So today we're looking at Jacob Terwiner, who's one of our top salespeople at X27. He released a video. We'll talk about that in a second. Stick around. Let's go over another great cold email template today on Cold Email Teardowns. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe down below. We do videos 3 times a week, and also smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and smash it. Leave a comment down below. That would be really good, but just mainly hit that like button and subscribe if you want more videos from us. Thanks. Let's jump into it. Do you like that thing with the finger? So Jacob Terwiner, who's one of our top salespeople, uploaded this video on the best cold email template for digital marketing in 2021. And let's check out what he did and let's see if we can improve what he did at all.
All right, guys. Today you are going to learn how to sell digital marketing services with cold email, and you're going to get a template, a cold email template that you.
Boring.
My attention span is shorter than a goldfish, I would say. If it's not grabbing me, I'm not going to watch it. So what do we got? Okay, Jacob's beautiful cold email consulting. He said, service, conversion rate optimization for e-commerce. Hi Frank, loved your recent TED Talk about building a strong team. It's definitely crucial for a successful company. Reaching out to you because I recently helped another e-commerce brand double their conversion rate and increase their sales by 70% in 6 months without increasing their traffic using conversion rate optimization. Are you interested in doing something similar? Let me know and I'll send over a few times to chat. I mean, it's Alex Berman style, right? What can we improve? Let's go over to. Good job, Jacob. You're killing it. This is why he's such a good salesman. He's taken everything that I've taught and actually implementing it, which is great. And it actually says a lot about what we do working. I know what we do works because I see testimonials all the time. It's worked for me. But it's just cool that Jacob can be over here doing the same thing that we teach. He's working for us, luckily. If he was a competitor, I might be angry, but doing the same thing we teach and having it work. So let me see if I can shorten this a little bit, because there is something, as I was reading it, it was dragging right here. So let's see if we can tighten that up. But otherwise, he's doing one of Steli Efti's biggest pet peeves, which is he's writing a cold email without putting a subject line in the script. Steli said this to me, he's like, never put an email script without a subject line. Otherwise, how is anyone gonna send the email? And I thought, like, what? Whoa. That blew my mind. I was like, whoa, okay. By the way, if you haven't already, go check out our other YouTube channel, Crazy Money. It's the greatest sequence of videos we've ever made. It's options trading, cryptocurrency. Div's doing make money experiments in India. I'm doing make money experiments in America. If you want to see all of those videos, go on over to crazymoney.org and subscribe. We'll also link to it down below. You can see our second channel, Crazy Money. Go subscribe down there and let's go. Subject line, first thing. Subject line, quick question. Hi Frank. Loved your recent TED Talk about building a strong team. It's definitely crucial for a successful company. I would improve this a little bit. Loved your recent TED Talk about building a strong team. It's definitely crucial for a successful company. Hi Frank, great TED Talk. Reaching out because, okay, here we go. Hey Frank, great TED Talk. Huge fan. Reaching out because I recently helped another e-commerce brand double their, so like, why do I care? You know, I'm Frank. Why do I care about you helping another e-commerce brand? Great TED Talk, huge fan. And then just say their company name, because now you're talking about their brand. Reaching out because I recently helped another e-commerce brand double their conversion rate and their sales. Double their conversion rate and their sales by 70%. That's just a little complex here. Reaching out because I recently helped another e-commerce brand double their conversion rate in 6 months without increasing their traffic. Right, using conversion rate optimization. Doubled their conversion rate using conversion rate optimization. Like, how many times are you gonna say the word conversion rate? Hi Frank, great TED Talk, huge fan of Acme. Reaching out because I recently helped another e-commerce brand double their conversion rate in 6 months without increasing traffic. This led to 70% more sales. Would love to do the same for you. I think that's the main thing, Jacob, that I would recommend here. And you, if you're watching this, not Jacob, anyone else, tighten up your case studies, tighten up everything. This email needs to be as short as possible and as impactful as possible. If you have repeated words, toss them in the trash can. If you have complex words, make them simple. That's all you really need to remember about cold email. Just simple, to the point, high value, you're good to go. Interested? Let me know and I can send over a few times to chat. Thanks, Jacob. There you go. Simple. We can do another one, because I know he did more in this video, but here's one. Lock it in. If you want these as a free download, by the way, download them down below. You can have them. Facebook ads for roofers. So again, no subject line, so pop the subject on here. We'll just put our tried and true here, quick question. I'm not giving notes on Jacob's video either, but like, tighten it up, dude. 9 minutes. Hi Frank, watched the video on your website and loved the joke you made about a long day's work. Emailing you because I recently helped another roofer in your area close an extra 5 roofs per week and generate over 100K a month in sales using Facebook ads. Like, this is again a double case study that doesn't make any sense. The last one he did the same thing. He was like, conversion rate went up by double and your sales went up by 70%, which that didn't really add up. Then the second one is like, you booked an extra 5 roofs per week and generate over 100K a month in sales using Facebook ads. So 5 roofs a week is equal to 100K a month in sales. That doesn't feel right to me. Maybe that's true, maybe that's not. I recently helped another roofer in your area, I feel like in Cleveland, or wherever. Close an extra 5 roofs per week using Facebook ads, and would love to do the same for you. Can you handle more jobs right now? Let me know and I'll send over a few times. That's good, that's fine. So notice I'm just tightening some stuff up. Jacob's pretty much on top of it, and I think a lot of this is stylistic differences, and the other stuff is just having a second eye on it. You can tell he's very much influenced by the way that we do stuff, which is great. Obviously the way that we do stuff's the best, that's why I talk about it all the time. And if it wasn't, I'd talk about different stuff, because that's just what we do. We only talk about things that work here. And there we go, 2 solid email scripts. Thanks, Jacob, for putting these together. Jacob makes YouTube videos if you want to watch. He does a lot of videos that remind me actually of the old videos we used to make back when I was first starting X27. So go ahead and check him out. We'll link to his channel down below. We also actually did an interview with Jacob, and you can see that we talked a lot about the process at X27, some issues that we dealt with as an agency, how we handled them, and a lot of cool insider stuff about X27 that we never usually talk about. So go ahead and check that interview out as well. Subscribe to Jacob if you want to check out his videos at the same time. If you're struggling to get clients that pay you what you deserve and you want a quick path from 0 to 10K a month in your agency, check out email10k.com. You can see that. We'll link it right down below and you can check that out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment down below. What did you think? And also, are you going to use these email scripts? Let me know. You can also get them down below as a free download. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.